Hey guys, welcome to Trick Day. For today's video, we are going to teach you how to make a kazoo out of a peg. Okay, it is super easy, super fun, and I'll teach you how to do it. Now what you are going to need, now for this particular activity, you are going to need a specific peg. So on the outside of your peg, there is a name. You need it to say Riva Genuine. Then you will be able to do this. When you get your peg, if you look closely on the inside, you will see that there is a metal pin that is holding the two parts together. We are going to go ahead and we are going to take those off by sliding them away from each other. So we're going to try and pull them apart. Takes a lot of fiddling. There we go. Try and pull it apart and you're left with the metal pin on one side and the piece in half. You're then going to keep pulling it apart and you're going to take the metal pin out of the other end. There we go. So we have the metal part and we have our two sides. Now what you are going to do, you are going to clamp. So normally you would have your peg facing that way with the teeth in. You're going to flip them upside down so the two flat parts are going to go together. Now this part is really tricky. What you then need to do is you are going to put the metal pin back in. So you're going to have the flat surface facing up and you're going to have this curved part on the end. You're going to put the pin inside like that. So it's just hanging there on the end. Then you are going to get the other one face down and you're going to push it in upside down like that. Okay, now we have put ours in the right way around. Now let's see if we can get ours to work. Make sure you're doing this outside. It is loads of fun. You guys can teach your friends how to do it, or you can just have fun at home and you can show your parents what you have created. I'm going to go through it again, nice and slowly, so that you guys can see. So what we are going to do, I'm going to undo it, and I'm going to put it back together for you guys. So you're going to just put your peg back the way it should be. Then there is a hole through the middle. You're going to take the pin, push it down the hole connecting the two. Make sure they're lined up. It'll make it a lot easier for you. And then you're just going to push down until you get them back together. So from the start, work out which way your metal is facing. So we need to pull the two sides in two different directions to pull them apart. So you're going to pull them in two different directions and you'll pull them apart. Make sure we don't pull them sideways, we want to pull them next to each other. Then you're going to take the pin out of the other side. When you get to this stage, there is a bumpy side and a flat side. You're going to then match the flat side to the other one so they look identical. When you get to that spot there, you are going to open them up, get the pin, push the pin down into the middle so it's sitting on the end. Then you are going to get this end and you're then going to feed it next to it, making sure that the pin goes through. So now the pin is wrapped around through and up to the other side. Now it's really important when you are blowing into your new kazoo that it is perfectly lined up. So at this end, at the metal end and on the side. So we don't want it sideways, we want it nice and flush the whole way around. You're going to blow at the opposite end to where the metal is, okay? So tip it on its side, hold the middle to make sure it stays stabilized. Have lots of fun, and I hope you guys can work out how to do it. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to our 0 to 60 challenge. For this challenge, we are going to have our cups set up in a triangle, and you need to try and get one ball into each of those cups. Now I have filled my cups with water, so you need to make sure that you have a parent or somebody who is here just to make sure you don't spill any water over anything that can't get wet. Okay? Alright, your 60 seconds starts now. That's 15 seconds. 25 seconds. That's coming up to 30 seconds now. That's nearly 40 seconds. Let's get some balls back. That's 50 seconds. Got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. And that is time. How did you go? Did you get all of them into the cups? Good luck and have fun. Hey guys, Clayton from Be Skilled, Be Fit. For today's challenge, spinning a basketball on our finger. Here we go. Now if you get really confident, you can either start changing fingers or you can start doing little tricks. We'll see. All the best guys, can't wait to see what you guys do. Let's have a look and see what the rest of our team are doing.
Hi guys, I'm Taylor. Today we're doing the spinning at the basketball on our finger challenge. Let's get started. Here we go. Let's see if you guys can do it. Hey guys, it's Rachel and I'm going to do the basketball spinning challenge. Good luck.
Hi guys, David from Be Skilled, Be Fit. Basketball challenge. Let's see how we go.